sport. So we're really happy that we got the opportunity now as a national team to come here. We are excited, looking forward to the turnaround of the people, and let's win the 2 games together as a nation.
Thank you Meghalaya government for providing such an amazing facility.
Madonbai rembai MDC ke amwi klik terci ini kesengi dawai perdau ya ke School Carnival Araja Arpausan yang ke Adventist Higher Secondary School klik terci ke wada penman hajrong kepang break the chain, break the stigma cerup ia kerek lang wa ke Meghalaya AIDS Control Society. Kani ke School Carnival upen man yaka haki arsengi dewa wan cimben talang ki skor waper haki jait lek ke penvernia naduk ki chat tenre ia kop rawai ia kop extempo speech ia kop cina poster ia kop chat ia kop lek ki drama wa kiwi kamte haki alang wai perda yong ni ke sing sedang de yo le iklam pen singau thu hajrong uknyang kejut HIV na ukongsan kamju usembul kongsan hei emlang ki wasikai wagi kena skor. Project Director ke Meghalaya AIDS Control Society Dr. WB Langste MD Pathologist kam usembut kongsan ongu idau wawan ra ya kani kamat uya kalam haki skor ki college to wa haki ni kirta ki kena MG ima wo yo yo ni kunyang kejun nei bahagi kentai hirta wakat arsnem chanen ki chenrang wan khatsan snem lasdang ki uper I he isan heido ipran kam ju heiman kentai chenrang we ju poi uput wo ngop ki hei chong kha khanna iwi upoi le cheipun khon nei tami wani e ikho bonjai we uman nei daw wado wom mk em kre we ki wi ki daw te poi che yaklan poi che pi apra ga yung kasem hadin ni te wan mi biang ki daw ki e wa bonjai te poi sei chongkha na wi ubru cha wi te wan te yo ye kjut STI wa kan thup HIV nei te ye uman na ki daw wa pher ki khon ki ti poi kala khana sarok ki te ye wan uman le mandamat ki e wa bonjai bon ki wa kala man khana diamond ne poi cho uput wa ngop hedi drugs wa jor ikhia perkhan I wa wan ra che yo khanyang HIV Niliang Madonbai rembai hawa kelam kamu kongsan sengangu u yaki bor perlai kani ke skor u ilat ki yo u benta ha kani ke yalang ne bahas ngau thu u waman go ke em kam tam he im yong ki bru kam ju wadaman go kejut ke wama tam ha perthai em kam u yakun bahaya ka kam te ongu baha wo yada chwa bar uthu kilat sumar hadin wi yo wi to syndong bahale ne baha wanang jor ko kanang ni kisngi we yoluti ule lang bagan ni School Carnival u yasam kaliang ye kitkle wo yakun yo ni kunyang kejut nei benta ibha imiat yong lang hak im lang sa lang we wo penti kenale wa ki we yo ye ini kejut yo ki kalat wo sumar om wo yo ben yaki
Cases in the early 1980s, the virus has claimed the lives of over 40 million people, living millions more living with the disease. One of the most significant challenges in the fight against HIV is a stigma. Stigma can prevent people from getting tested for HIV, seeking treatment and disclosing their status to others. Education is our strong weapon. Understanding HIV is a transmission and dispelling mystery is crucial. By staying informed, you become advocates for change, breaking down the barrier of stigma and discrimination that persists around HIV and AIDS. We must continue to raise awareness, prevention new infection, and ensure that everyone has access to treatment and care. Together we can create a world free from HIV. I hope through this carnival we can understand our shared responsibility to support those affected by HIV and to continue education of ourselves and others. By spreading awareness, we can help reduce the stigma and encourage people to get tested and work together a future where AIDS is no longer a threat to anyone's lives.
And as a result, we have seen that nowadays there is a rise in early marriages and teen pregnancies. But due to many factors like poverty, unemployment, and many more, many of these marriages cannot last for long. And as a result, data show that there's a rise in the number of broken families. So due to many factors again, many of such families, the spouses, they tend to have multiple sexual partners. And here is the risk again, that they expose themselves to many STIs, including HIV. And data also show that, due to many factors again, many of the young ones, they become street children. And when they are faced with many problems, they turn up or they become, as we call commercial sex workers or female sex workers. And also many, in order to to cope with the depression, they go with drugs, or we call intra-drug users.